globe light with day and night illumination.
What's nation?
Illumination means when it's dark and you light up something. And there's a picture of this globe having illumination.
Yeah, I think that's when they put the lights on. Alan,
Yes, Cheryl?
what is globe?
Globe means, Cheryl, it's like the model of our Earth. And we'll be seeing like a small ball, but it's Earth like this inside this box.
Let's open it. I'll open it. Look at the wall!
Wait, let's go.
Yes!
It's so awesome!
I love it! Alan, let's see what I see. Wow!
Because it's been so fast, it's been very slow and takes 24 hours to finish my whole day. Did you know that, Cheryl?
Is this the sky?
No, Cheryl. This is all sea. The blue part is all water. 71% of our whole Earth is covered with water. Did you know that, Cheryl?
Yeah!
And only 3% is drinkable. So only 3% we can drink. So don't make water.
Hey, don't waste water.
Okay, Cheryl,
There's only little water in this earth. Okay, good boy.
Okay, Cheryl.
But what are the other colors?
The other colors are land, Cheryl. These lands are grouped into continents.
Yes, Alan.
How many continents are there, Cheryl?
7!
The 7 continents are Australia, Asia, Europe, Africa. Then comes South America and North America. And the last one is Antarctica. Antarctica is very cold. Cheryl, where does Santa live?
At the point?
Yes, Cheryl, that's called the North Pole.
The North Pole.
Yes, Cheryl, that's where Santa's home is.
Yeah.
Cheryl, what line is this?
I don't know.
This line is called an equator, and it's an imaginary line that divides the Earth into 2 halves. And this is the North Hemisphere, and this is the Southern Hemisphere. Oh, where do you want to go?
Here.
To the North Pole
Yeah.
to see Santa.
Yeah.
Then you might have to take this. This is how the Earth looks at daytime when there's so much of light. But do you want to see how it looks at night?
Yeah. I think it's so fun. I think it's gonna be beautiful with so much of light.